2 Chainz, komm zurück nach Deutschland, wir lieben dich.
Stuttering, give it the rest and make them laugh again. In my best of me no run again. I have the man them stuttering. I ain't getting this nigga in the morning. He gonna take keeping chief and just too long away. He see me in the evening, wanna catch all he's feeling. Well, let me be the first to get my
Okay, I'm chillin' in my camo, flipping through the channel. On my good music shit, my logo's a Lambo, 4 doors of ammo. This ammunition I'm pitching to make your body switch another position and listen my weed loud. Bucker and speed off, telling my bare arms I'm cutting my sleeves off, letting my tat show. And I sag my pants, I'm letting my ass show. I'm hot as Tabasco, I study Castro, yeah, my plug from Cuba. Inside of the car it's like a damn computer. Inside of the crib is like a damn museum. You ain't seen these before, you better get them on film. Tryna take these fat pockets, man, your chances are slim. Disrespect, you stomp them out, man, give them a 10. You ain't did what I did, see I know I'ma win. And they don't have slow motion, so I did it again. Wow!
So this was 200, this was 200.
Yeah.
That's 400.
Yeah, 4, 5, 6.
600.
7, 8, 9.
9.
10, 11, 12.
12.
13, 14, 15.
In the evening, wanna catch all he's feeling. Well, let me be the first to get my
Yeah. Okay, I'm sitting on the plane, flying over graves. I am so high, nigga, I can talk to rain. My outfit's insane. Ain't that evident? My chain had another chain like it was pregnant. My favorite dish is turkey lasagna, even my pajamas designer, She got a fat ass, I make her rewind. Back seat so big, I press recline. Got a dirty Sprite in my cup holder. Rappers like roadkill, they get run over. They get done over, it's just one soldier. This flow will make you fall like it's October. Me and your girl, nigga, opposite of sober. Celine Paris change home, look like a cobra. Young Casanova, baby round me out. I got my girl geek, she look like she from Tokyo.
You gotta leave that on. You have 2 Chainz, right? You have 2 Chainz, right? 2 Chainz. The song of Lil Wayne.
He see me in the evening, wanna catch all he's feeling. Well, let me be the first to get my
Sekou Barous, maintenant à la barre. Makumbu NFL 26 validé, 26 validé. Maintenant à la barre, Barous Sekou.
Let's go. All right, he's taking off the shoe.
Every time I ride, I keep my name on top. He's running in my pocket, snapping up a photo. You falling over all these bitches, that's a no-no. You pillow talking with these hoes.
Go.
Stick to the cheat mode. I remain in beast mode. See me throwing money like I'm working on a free throw. If I'm spending money, and I keep them things, they go wherever, then we good. Ain't ever since I can't remember, I've been balling.
Vas-y, c'est tout, vas-y, vas-y. Vas-y, sec. Allez, sec, allez, sec.
Je vais pour la 3e place.
Let's go. Allez, sec, allez, sec.
Let's go.
Allez, sec. Encore. Vas-y, vas-y, vas-y. Allez, sec. Sec, vas-y. Allez, encore. Allez, allez. Allez, sec. Vas-y, vas-y, vas-y. Allez, vas-y, sec. Ouais. Encore.
Allez, let's go. On est dedans. Allez, allez.
Souffle, souffle.
Respire.
Va aller chercher, sec. On est capable, vas-y, va la chercher. Allez, voilà. Encore, sec. Il y a de la place, sec. Vas-y, va la chercher. La tête dedans. Vas-y.
Allez. Faut tout lâcher là.
Ah ouais, gèle la putain.
Ok, donc nous avons...
Big up à la team Punishment Team. C'est cool ici présent, 3ème. Charles un peu déçu, mais il reviendra l'année prochaine. Il y a encore Youssef qui se présente pour les pompes. On sera tous les 4 pour l'Absolute. Et merci encore à l'équipe Pull and Push. Sans eux, ça n'existerait pas. Merci les mecs.
Bon, big up à la Punishment Team. Félicitations à Jean-Luc. Bravo. L'année prochaine, je vais te mettre ta correction. Voilà. Je suis un peu dégoûté pour Jean Gabin parce que à l'entraînement, il n'est pas comme ce qu'il a fait aujourd'hui. Il a fait de la merde. Voilà. Je suis un peu dégoûté pour lui. Voilà. Je voudrais remercier aussi nos sponsors Citec, Ludovic qui est venu nous rendre visite. Donc voilà, je voudrais le remercier. Et je remercie bien sûr l'équipe Pull and Push.
Merci les gars.
Fucking throw up on the floor shit. Get the cleaning lady, my bad. Hey yo, in only 1 year, considered as a veteran. Top of the line, the whip look like tropical lime. Off the boat, cousin Glock by the spine. Do a murder 7:30, then they flying at 9. Shit, handspring half twisted to the Buick. You say you're doing shit but never do it. I say I'm doing shit and then I do it. Never going back to work. It's
not every day you see a piece of shit take a shit.
Vultures flying over the carcass. Bitches blowing on my dick like a cartridge. Throw some grass up, aim a little east of the target. My brain was sculpted at Harvard. Never mention all the crime I've been a part of. Never served like Yvonne Lendl up in a rental. The team's been assembled. They receiving health benefits and dental. The land was laced with fennel. Left hand to shift and right foot touch the pedal. From now on I'm just a symbol. $100 truck smoke out the window. Paper plates, I never had a license. Could always catch me smoking spices. Triple Lindsay out the GG, landed to a split. Get up in a spin, doggy, I'm the shit. Staying broke like Maury with the hip. Cash me on Maury with my bitch. Fuck with me, the whip gymnast. Jump out the car into the river, no splash on the dive. Straightforward money, cash on the side. If you catch, I'ma want that bastard alive. My bitch's ass is like an apple.
Fuck, that's delicious.